and start life fresh. You sing along with me. Beneath the differences is unity. Till the time is done presently. When the darkness comes, wait for the light. On the sunny days, prepare for the night. I used to be a world with the voice of doom, and then I got sick and tired of all of my gloom. I realized that all of my days are running out, and it was not spending each day just wearing a pout. Underneath that old grudge, there's a child in our hearts. Don't make any bigger lives than pleasant parts. Don't make things too big to